Hi guys, Mark Saturno here with another virtual Vino vid from Longview. And today we're talking Shiraz. It's kind of synonymous with Australian wine, isn't it? Back in the 90s, people thought that you were probably crazy to grow Shiraz in a cool climate region like the Adelaide Hills. And our Shiraz was planted in 1995, kind of poo-pooed by other regions in the area, saying, oh, you'll never ripen it out. Well, it's all about site specificity, really. And as I mentioned in another video, Longview is a bit further south in the hills. Still some quite high elevation, but the hills really kind of fan out and sort of are a bit more exposed to sunlight. So we can ripen out things like Shiraz and Cabernet. So what I'm looking at today is our 2017 Yakka Shiraz. Yakka's kind of one of the first Shirazes really to come out of the Adelaide Hills to be taken seriously. And there's probably a lot of producers that will disagree with me there, but it really was. Kind of put Adelaide Hills Shiraz on the map, won a lot of awards back in the day. This particular vintage, the 2017, got 95 points from Hugh and Hook, and has done really, really well on the show circuit. It's classic cool climate vintage 2017. It's one for the cool kids. It's lots of crushed blueberries, a little hint of vanilla, a little bit of chocolate. There's a lot of deliciousness going on here. No, this is not the wine talking. This is my first sip of wine today. Spice, white pepper spices, your classic cool climate Shiraz or Syrah aromatic profile. There's some clove and a little bit of nutmeg going on here. A little bit of citrus too, weirdly enough. And that sort of butcher's block thing going on as well. There's so much happening in this wine. It is a fantastic winter wine. So it's a great wine to drink during winter. But the mid palate of it, is really quite lightweight, midweight at least. And so it's not one of those big, broody, heavy, foreboding Shirazes that you would expect from a lot of Australian producers, yeah? So which makes it really versatile with food. I just love smelling this wine. It just keeps on going. It's grippy, it's got lovely tannin profile. It just soaks your mouth with all this great flavor. Gosh, it is one that you could also put down for about 10 years, and I wouldn't normally say that with Shiraz. Cabernet, absolutely. But Shiraz, I think, is a 5-year prospect if you're going to age it. A lot of people leave their Shirazes down for 20 years. I'm not an advocate for that. But this, absolutely, 2027, this will be singing. So the 2017 Yakka Shiraz, a Longview staple. It's been around for a while. Pick it up on the website or any good independent bottle shop. Take care. Peace.